two polar curves intersect orthogonally, right? So here, homework problem we have here, problem number 5. R square sin 2 theta is equal to a square and r square cos 2 theta is equal to b square. So first we shall consider first polar curve r square sin 2 theta is equal to a square. So we have to find angle between radius vector and tangent. So that is pi 1. And also we shall consider second polar curve. So we have to find out pi 2. Next we compute modulus pi 1 minus pi 2, which is equal to pi by 2. Then we say that the two polar curves intersect orthogonally, right? So this is homework problem. You then try ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನು, right? Next, say problem number 6. R is equal to continuation. Problem number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next problem number 6. R is equal to a into 1 plus sin theta and r is equal to a into 1 minus sin theta. So here also we have to show that the two polar curves intersect orthogonally. So answer should be pi by 2, right? So here first we shall take r is equal to a into 1 plus sin theta. According to working procedure, taking log on both sides, log r is equal to log of a into 1 plus sin theta. Log r is equal to log of a into 1 plus sin theta. Log r is equal to, see RHS we have here, log a into 1 plus sin theta. This is of the form log a into b. Log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. So logarithmic property we have to apply, log a plus log of 1 plus sin theta. So next, differentiate with respect to theta. Log r differentiation 1 by r into r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to constant. Log a is constant here, so constant differentiation is what? 0. Next, differentiation of log of 1 plus sin theta. Log of 1 plus sin theta differentiation 1 upon 1 plus sin theta into 1 differentiation 0 sin theta differentiation cos theta, right? So we know that 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot pi. So here they given two polar curves they given here. So that's why we shall consider, instead of cot pi, we shall consider cot pi 1. Cot pi 1 is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta, right? So actually we want here pi 1, right? So pi 1 we want here. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಪೈ 1 ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್. ಕಾಟ್ ಪೈ 1 is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta, right? It's very clear. We have to show that the two polar curves intersect orthogonally, right? Nothing but pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ here cot pi 1 is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Pi 1 explicit formally pi 1 ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, right? Next we shall consider a second curve. R is equal to a into 1 minus sin theta. Taking log on both sides, log r is equal to log a into 1 minus sin theta. So this is of the form log a into b. So logarithm property we have to apply, log a plus log of 1 minus sin theta. So now differentiate with respect to theta. Log r differentiation 1 by r into dr by d theta. Log a constant differentiation is 0 plus log of 1 minus sin theta differentiation 1 upon 1 minus sin theta. 1 differentiation 0 minus sin theta differentiation cos theta. So we shall consider here 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot pi. So we shall consider this one as cot pi 2 because this is what second curve. So we shall consider here cot pi 2 is equal to minus cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So observe carefully here. So previous class we were get pi 1 and pi 2 explicit form, right? Pi 1 is equal to some value we get, pi 2 is equal to some value we get. Modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2. Then we say that the two polar curves intersect orthogonally. But ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ pi 1 pi 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಯಾರ್. See angle of intersection of two polar curves. If pi 2 minus pi 1 or modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ we say that the two polar curves intersect orthogonally. So alternate form ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ, tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1. So pi 2 minus pi 1 is equal to pi by 2 ಬಂದ್ರು ಟೂ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲಿ ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರು, then we say that two curves intersect orthogonally ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So till problem number 1 to 5 we have to apply modulus of pi 2 minus pi 1 because we get pi 1 and pi 2 explicit form, right? So in problem number 6 we did not get pi 1 and pi 2 in explicit form. That's why keep it in the tan pi 1 and tan pi 2. So cot pi 1 and cot pi 2, right? See, observe here. It requires quite number of steps to obtain pi 1 and pi 2 explicitly. So actually ಇದನ್ನ in terms of pi 1 and pi 2 form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾವು, but it requires number of steps. Is it clear? So more number of steps it's required. So that's why cot pi 1 and cot pi 2 keep as it is, because another form we have here, that is what tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1. So that's why, see, observe here, cot pi 1 is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Tan pi 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, we can write. Tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. See here, tan pi 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Tan pi 2 is equal to minus 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So we want here tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to minus number ಬೇಕು. Tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ it shows that the given curves intersect orthogonally. See, observe here, tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. So tan pi 1 we have here 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into tan pi 2 we have here minus 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, a plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b form. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So obviously we get 1 minus sin square theta, because in place of a we have here 1, in place of b we have here sin theta. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So obviously we get 1 minus sin square theta upon plus into minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. We know that 1 minus sin square theta, so we can write cos square theta. So because we have sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, obviously 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta, we can write. So denominator cos square theta keep as it is, numerator cos square theta, denominator cos square theta get cancelled, so we get -1, right? So tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1 we get. So thus the curves intersect each other orthogonally. So we have a condition, if pi 1 minus pi 2 or pi 2 minus pi 1 is equal to pi by 2, then we say that two curves intersect orthogonally. Or tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1, so then we say that the two curves intersect orthogonally. So ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1. Obviously we say that the two curves intersect each other orthogonally, right? So any questions here? Yes, any doubt, any questions here, please?
No, sir. So last step is the extrovert, sir.
Last step, right? So
Sir.
you right? Yes or no? This one, right? So it's here,
Yes, sir.
right? So cot pi 1, cot pi 1 by r into dr by d theta, cot pi 1. So we can write, because 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot pi, angle between the radius vector and tangent ಅನ್ನ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan pi is equal to r into d theta by dr, equivalent form ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾವು, cot pi is equal to 1 by r into dr by d theta. So cot pi 1 is equal to cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Cot pi 2 we have here minus cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. Instead of cot pi 2, in terms of tan we can write here tan pi 2 is equal to reciprocal. So this goes to numerator and it comes to denominator. Similarly, tan pi 1 is equal to, it goes to numerator, this comes to denominator. So that's why we can write here tan pi 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Tan pi 2 is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. cot pi 1 and cot pi 2 ನ in terms of tan pi 1 and tan pi 2 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2 ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ pi 1 and pi 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ 1 ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅನದರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi 1 minus pi 2 ಆರ್ pi 2 minus pi 1 is equal to pi by 2 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದ ಟೂ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಅದೇನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ 1 ಇಂಟು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಪೈ 2 is equal to -1 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಟೂ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ pi 1 and pi 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ pi 1 minus pi 2 ಆರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ pi 2 minus pi 1 ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ cot pi 1 and cot pi 2 ನ tan pi 1 and tan pi 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೈಟ್, tan pi into tan pi 2, tan pi 1 into tan pi 2. tan pi 1 we have here 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into tan pi 2 we have here minus we can write 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, multiplication here. So 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta into minus 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So numerator multiplication, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, a plus b into a minus b formula, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. In place of a we have here 1, so 1 square nothing but 1 minus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, denominator plus into minus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. So we know that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ cos square theta ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ obviously 1 minus sin square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's why we can write here 1 minus sin square theta ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, cos square theta ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ cos square theta, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ cos square theta get cancel. Numerator cos square theta and denominator cos square theta get cancelled. So finally we get -1. Tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1. So then we say that the two curves intersect orthogonally. So e condition satisfy ಆದ್ರೂ we say that two curves intersect orthogonally, or modulus of pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 2, or modulus of pi 2 minus pi 1 is equal to pi by 2. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಟೂ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ರೈಟ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Yes, sir.
ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎನಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes. Next we shall move on to find the angle of intersection of the following pairs of curves. Right. So observe carefully here. From beginning, there first set of problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ find the angle between the radius vector and tangent find ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ರೈಟ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ದೇ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಪೈ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನಾಯ್ತು, we have to find angle between radius vector and tangent and also slope of the tangent. Yes, ಅಲ್ಲಿ again as usual we have to find pi ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ tan psi we have to find. That is what second set of problems. Next, third set of problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ they given two polar curves. There also we have to find angle between radius vector and tangent. So each polar curve ಗೆ pi 1 pi 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ಟೂ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ pi by 2. ಓಕೆ, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ pi by 2 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೂ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ tan pi 1 into tan pi 2 is equal to -1 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ದ ಟೂ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ in this set of problems ಅಲ್ಲಿ find the angle of intersection of the following pairs of curves. Procedure will be same, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi by 2 ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, pi by 2 ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ರೈಟ್. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ π/2 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಶೋ ದಟ್ ದ ಟೂ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ π/2 ಆರ್ tan π1 into tan π2 is equal to -1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಟೂ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮಾತ್ರ ವಿ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಟೂ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಥಾಗನಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸಿ how. Again, we shall consider here they given in problem number 1, they given two polar curves, r is equal to sin theta plus cos theta. Same procedure we have to follow, taking log on both sides. Log r is equal to RHS log of sin theta plus cos theta. So no need to apply logarithm properties here because previous problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ log a into b ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ log a plus log b ಅಂತ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಗರಿಥಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಂತ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? So next, differentiate with respect to theta. Log r differentiation 1 by r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to log of sin theta plus cos theta differentiation 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta differentiation cos theta differentiation minus sin theta. So numerator cos theta minus sin theta upon sin theta plus cos theta. Left hand side 1 by r into dr by d theta. This can be written as cot π1. So next step, both numerator and denominator divided by cos theta. Both numerator and denominator divided by cos theta. Cos theta by cos theta get cancelled 1. Sin theta by cos theta tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta is equal to 1. Both numerator and denominator are divided by cos theta. Then we get this answer. We know that cot of π/4 plus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta 1 plus tan theta. So this is of the form 1 minus tan theta 1 plus tan theta. Here 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. So in place of this we can write cot of π/4 plus theta. Cot of π/4 plus theta. Obviously we get π1 is equal to π/4 plus theta. So observe carefully here. π1 is equal to π/4 plus theta we get here. π1 is equal to π/4 plus theta. So explicit formula ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ π1 ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಿ π1 ಸಿಕ್ತು, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ we shall consider r is equal to 2 sin theta. Second polar curve we shall consider here. Second polar curve taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, right. Log r is equal to log 2 sin theta. Taking log on both sides, log r is equal to log 2 sin theta. Log r, log a into b form, log a into b form. So log a into b, so we can write log a plus log b, log 2 plus log sin theta. So because in place of a we have here 2, in place of b we have here sin theta. So that's why we can write here log 2 plus log sin theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. Obviously log r differentiation 1 by r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to log 2 differentiation 0, log 2 differentiation 0, log sin theta differentiation 1 by sin theta into sin theta differentiation cos theta. So 1 by r into dr by d theta class 1 by r into dr by d theta is equal to cot π2. Cos theta upon sin theta is equal to cot theta, right. So obviously we get π2 is equal to theta we get. π2 is equal to theta we get. So angle of intersection modulus of π1 minus π2 is equal to modulus of π1 minus π2 is equal to π/4 plus theta, π/4 plus theta, and π2 we have here theta. So π1 is equal to π/4 plus theta, π2 we have here theta. Plus theta minus theta get cancelled, so we get π/4. Angle of intersection will get here π/4. So this is what angle of intersection. So suppose ನಮಗೆ ಇದೇನಾದರೂ π/2 ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ then we say that two polar curves intersect ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ π/4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So obviously angle of intersection is π/4, right. So any questions you have, please?
No, sir.
ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್
No, sir.
ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್
No,
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ
sir.
ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟೂ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್
Yes,
ಆಗ್ತವೆ
sir.
ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ
Yes,
ಪೈ
sir.
ಬೈ ಟು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪೈ ಬೈ ಟೂನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಎಸ್
Yes, sir.
ರೈಟ್
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ರೈಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ r square sin 2 theta is equal to 4 and r square 16 sin 2 theta. So we shall consider here r square sin 2 theta is equal to 4. Taking log on both side. Taking log on both side. Log of r square sin 2 theta is equal to log 4. This is of the form log a into log b. Log r square plus log sin 2 theta is equal to log 4. Log r square log m to the power of n form. Log m to the power of n. Log m to the power of n is equal to n log m. So obviously we can write log r square can be written as 2 log r plus log sin 2 theta is equal to log 4. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Two constant keep as it is. Log r differentiation 1 by r into dr by d theta plus log sin 2 theta differentiation 1 by sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta differentiation cos 2 theta into 2 theta differentiation 2. Log 4 differentiation. Log 4 is constant. So constant differentiation is what? 0. 2 into 1 by r dr by d theta keep as it is. Cos 2 theta upon sin 2 theta cot 2 theta to keep as it is. Next step, this goes to RHS. It becomes minus 2 into cot 2 theta. Right? So 2 into cot pi 1 is equal to minus 2 into cot 2 theta. See here, 2 get cancelled. 1 by r into dr by d theta cot pi 1 which is equal to minus cot 2 theta. Minus cot 2 theta, this can be written as cot of minus 2 theta. Obviously, pi 1 is equal to we get minus 2 theta. Pi 1 is equal to minus 2 theta we get. Next, we shall consider second polar curve. R square is equal to 16 sin 2 theta. Same procedure we have to follow. Taking log on both sides. Log r square is equal to log of 16 sin 2 theta. This is of the form log a into b. Log a into b. Log a plus log b. Now differentiate with respect to theta. Left hand side log r square can be written as 2 log r because log m to the power of n form. Log m to the power of n is equal to n log m. Right? 2 log r is equal to log 16 plus log sin 2 theta. Differentiate with respect to theta. 2 into 1 by r into dr by d theta. Log r differentiation. 1 by r into r differentiation dr by d theta is equal to log 16 differentiation constant idu. So constant differentiation 0. Log sin 2 theta differentiation 1 by sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta differentiation cos 2 theta into 2 theta differentiation 2. Right? Left hand side 2 into 1 by r into dr by d theta cot by 2 we shall take 2 into cos by sin cot 2 theta. Right? Cot agate cos by sin cot. Right? Obviously 2 get cancelled. Cot pi 2 is equal to cot 2 theta. Pi 2 is equal to 2 theta we get. Pi 1 is equal to minus 2 theta. Pi 2 is equal to 2 theta we get. Angle of intersection. Pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi 1 we have here minus 2 theta. Pi 2 we have here 2 theta. Minus 2 theta minus 2 theta that is equal to minus 4 theta. Modulus of minus 4 theta. So it will be 4 theta plus 4 theta. Right? Angle of intersection is equal to 4 theta. Yes or no? Angle of intersection will get here 4 theta. So we get angle of intersection will get here 4 theta. So we will stop ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೀಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ angle of intersection 4 theta ಬಂದಿದೆ. So we shall stop here or what? We shall continue this problem.
Continue.
Means 4 theta
Continue,
ಬಂದಿದೆ.
sir.
4 theta is the angle of intersection here. Like
We have to find theta values here.
yes, we have to find theta value. Yes. Why?
Theta value.
Why we have to find theta value here?
Because we have to cancel the theta from the pi 2 minus pi 1 angle of intersection.
Right. Angle of intersection will contain theta. Suppose angle of intersection will contain theta, we have to eliminate theta by using given pairs of equations.
Theta.
Right. Working procedure ಹೇಳಿದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
Yes,
ರೈಟ್.
sir.
ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಥೀಟಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ. Right. We have to eliminate theta from the given pairs of equations here. See, observe carefully here. As step number, if this contains theta, nothing but angle of intersection pi 2 minus pi 1, if this contains theta, then we have to find theta by solving the pairs of equations to obtain the angle of intersection independent of theta. ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ pi 2 minus pi 1, pi 1 minus pi 2 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಥೀಟಾ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಸರಿ ಯಾರು ಗಿವನ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ r square is equal to 16 sin 2 theta ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಲಾರ್ ಕರ್ವ್ r square sin 2 theta is equal to 4 ಇದೆ. r square is equal to 16 sin 2 theta. r square is equal to ನಾವೇನ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 4 upon sin 2 theta ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿ ಆರ್ angle of intersection will contain theta. We have to eliminate theta by using given pairs of equations. So given pairs of equations use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ given problem ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So first polar curve, from the first polar curve we can write r square is equal to 4 upon sin 2 theta, and from second polar curve keep as it is because already we have here r square is equal to 16 sin 2 theta ಇದೆ. Right. Next here r square is equal to this and r square is equal to this. So we equate RHS part. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ 4 ಅಪಾನ್ ಸೈನ್ 2 ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 16 ಸೈನ್ 2 ಥೀಟಾ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ 4 is equal to 16 sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta sin square 2 theta. Right? Sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. So we get here sin square 2 theta. Cross multiplication. Right? Cross multiplication sin 2 theta into sin 2 theta. We get here sin square 2 theta. Right? 16 sin square 2 theta. Next here 4 ones are 4 fours are 4 fours are 16. So we get 1 is equal to 4 sin square 2 theta. Or this can be written as 4 sin square 2 theta is equal to 1. Next step, sin square 2 theta is equal to 4, it goes to RHS, it becomes 1 by 4. We want here sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to square root of 1 by 4. Sin 2 theta we want here. Sin 2 theta is equal to square root of 1 by 4. Square root of 1 by 4 is what? 1 by 2. 2 theta we want here. Sin it goes to RHS, it becomes sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6. Theta we want here. Theta is equal to 2, it goes to RHS, it becomes 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into pi by 6, we get pi by 12. So theta is equal to pi by 12 we get, where we have to substitute in equation number 1, we have to substitute. So equation number 1 we have here angle of intersection pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to 4 theta. So in place of theta, we have to substitute pi by 12. So we get 4 into theta. 4 into theta value already we have by using given pairs of equation, that is pi by 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So angle of intersection pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to pi by 3. Right? Pi by 3 nothing but 60 degree. Is it clear? Understand this one? So angle of intersection ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಥೀಟಾ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಎಸ್, ಎನಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್? ಎಸ್.